Stephen Powell, owner, along with my wife Donna, of Thoroughbred Transmissions and Auto Care in Laurel, Maryland. Today I would like to talk a little about transmissions. In 1980, I went to work for a local Chevrolet dealer rebuilding transmissions. For those of you that have been around for a while, you may remember the originals failed often, so I stayed very busy in the dealer. Meantime, I was racing and began building transmissions for my race cars, and soon my name grew quickly as the guy to get it done right the first time. As my side work grew, I soon ran out of space at home, and in 1991, Donna found our shop. We continued growing, and while I still build all the racing and classic car transmissions, most of our work is done using Jasper remanufactured units. You might ask why. Well, to better service you, our clients. Warranty on these units is 3 years or 100,000 miles, and it's nationwide and transferable should you sell the vehicle before 3 years has passed. This means it becomes a selling feature, adding value to your vehicle. And after our staff toured the factory, we can share they build a fine product, and we're proud to be a preferred installer for them. If you have questions on transmissions, we have options, so let us guide you. Give us a call, speak to either Stephen Powell, myself, or John, our service writer. Thank you.